Hi everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC here in New York City. Today I want to talk about what happens if the Asylum Office does not approve or grant your initial affirmatively filed asylum application. So, really quickly, just to recap, a long time ago, we talked about what is the difference between an affirmative asylum application and a defensive asylum application. An affirmative asylum application, just as a very quick reminder, is an application where you first have your interaction, you first make your application to the USCIS or Department of Homeland Security Asylum Office and not the immigration judge. So when a person makes an affirmative asylum application, they submit their application, their supporting documents, their supporting statement, and any other witness testimony to the USCIS Asylum Office, where they will eventually be scheduled for and attend an asylum interview with an asylum officer at the USCIS office. Now, sometimes asylum officers are able to grant or approve somebody's asylum application after their initial USCIS Asylum Office interview. However, not all cases are granted by the Asylum Office. When a case is not approved by the Asylum Office, it does not mean that it's denied by the Asylum Office. In fact, the case is not denied by the Asylum Office, but it's actually referred to the immigration court or the immigration judge, because a lot of times judges and trial attorneys are able to make more specific decisions based on nuanced legal information than the Asylum Office is. So when the Asylum Office with USCIS does not approve your asylum application, it is not a denial of your asylum application. Rather, it's a referral to the immigration judge because the judge is able to make better and more legal-based decisions on your application. What this really is saying is that you have two bites at the same apple based on your asylum application if it is not granted by the Asylum Office. With that being said, if you have an asylum interview coming up with USCIS, it's extremely important to be prepared because obviously it's much better to be granted by the Asylum Office if you can, rather than being referred to the immigration court. However, a referral is not a denial. It's a second chance to present your case in the best way possible. We here at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC, represent people in their affirmative asylum applications every day. We also represent people who have been referred to the immigration court after they have not been granted asylum from the Asylum Office. We're happy to answer any questions related to this or any other immigration matter. You can find us online at hemrick.law, or you can reach us at 833-848-7838. And until next time, I look forward to talking to everyone again soon.